The society is full of violence. People who perpetuate that violence generally think they're all non-violent people, right? So poverty is violence, injustice is violence, exploitation is violence, corruption is violence, consumerism is violence. People were begging from the government some action. So we thought no more begging, no more requesting, no more appealing, now ordering.
They are going to sleep on the roads. They are going to cook their meal only once at night. They'll be hungry and they'll be walking nearly 350 kilometers till Delhi.
More than 29% of our population is a landless population. They have no land for their survival. So they can't feel their roots in this country.
You have to suffer and sacrifice in order to take people through social change.
ये बसेस के साथ में अपनी पोजीशन इनसे कंफर्म करवा लीजिए और बैरिकेड खिंचवा देंगे और ट्रैफिक को डाइवर्ट करवाएंगे। ओवर।
ये जो पुलिस दिया है ये हम लोग के रक्षा के लिए नहीं, हम लोग के सहायता के लिए नहीं, ये हम लोगों को रोकने के लिए, हम लोगों पे दबाव बनाने के लिए कि आप देखो बदमाशी करोगे तो इतने सारे पुलिस हैं मेरे साथ, यानी घोड़ा वाला पुलिस।
We will eat till we have food. Then it is left to them. That is where they like to come in to talk. Food will be over. Then people start dying.